اسمي Ingrid Bawab. I work as a director and I'm also a singer and I love doing both equally. مرم خايل لإلي is one of my favorite places لأنه بعدهم محافظين على البنايات القديمة. At the same time في عندي هيك hidden corners مع عالم who are trying to do something different. Beirut is now like kind of public. It's known. بس إنه Beirut يعني it's my place and I discovered it years ago when it was kind of a mess. I like the message they're trying to send, which is التياب المستعملة هن تياب ما بتموت. يعني أنا everything I wear كان لأمي كل شيء. And I believe that clothes never die. Tariq is a very good friend of mine. He told me about this place and he's thinking of opening a small coffee shop مع flower shop, Café des Fleurs. I love the concept of a store لأنه بنص عجقة أشرفية. When you see it, you just want to park, take a break and have coffee. Factory is my favorite place in Beirut. The best part of Factory is the elevator لأنه كلنا بنطلع and then بتصير الموسيقى تعلى شوي شوي. فيك تروحي ببيجامتك، فيك تروحي لابسة تنس shoes just to dance. It's not just a club يعني. It's a concept to give back to our culture through music. Beirut has a lot of history and holds a lot of tradition. At the same time, it's very modern. And that's exactly who I am. I'm Ingrid Bawab, and this is my city.